A very good morning to all the students. This is lecture number 13 for the subject switchgear and protection. So in this today's lecture, we are going to discuss regarding the protection of transformers. For the protection of transformers, we had discussed the various types of faults which may occur on the transformers. So yesterday we had discussed regarding in the lecture number 12 we had discussed regarding the protection against the earth fault or leakage resistance protection. So core balance protection scheme is discussed in the previous lecture. So for the protection of any category of faults, the most usually most used relays are the Buckles relay. So Buckles relay is basically a gas actuated relay installed in every oil immersed transformer for protection against all types of faults. ठीक है. सो बक्कल्स रिले ऐसी रिले है जो ऑलमोस्ट सभी ट्रांसफार्मर्स में आपको लगी दिखेगी. सो इंस्टॉल्ड फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ फॉल्ट्स. बक्कल्स रिले का नाम उसके इन्वेंटर से रखा गया है, बक्कल्स. इट इज यूज टू गिव एन अलार्म इन केस ऑफ इंसिपेंट और स्लो डेवलपिंग. ठीक है. कोई भी स्लो डेवलपिंग फॉल्ट अगर अकर हो रहा होगा इनसाइड द ट्रांसफार्मर, बक्कल्स रिले जस्ट गिव्स एन अलार्म सिग्नल for the faults in the transformers. Or in the case of major category of fault, in the case of major faults, Buckles relay just disconnect the transformer through the use of circuit breaker from the supply in case of major faults. So from this we can conclude that Buckles relay can be used for the minor faults as well as major faults. In case of minor faults, the alarm circuit will operate, and in the case of major faults, circuit breaker will operate. So Buckles relay is usually connected in the pipe connecting the conservator to the main tank as shown in the figure number 1. So where is figure number 1? Okay, so here I am representing the figure number 1. So this is the figure number 1. Buckles relay is connected between the transformer main tank and the conservator oil tank. Okay. So these are the radiators taken out from the transformer. So Buckles relay is connected between the main tank as well as the conservator tank. This is the Buckles relay. So in today's topic, we are going to discuss regarding the Buckles relay construction, its operation and its advantages and disadvantages in detail. So we are going to discuss regarding its construction, its operation, its advantages and disadvantages in detail. As we look into this figure, as we look into this figure, so this figure represents the Buckles relay. So this whole, we can consider it as a Buckles relay. This whole arrangement is considered as a Buckles relay. This is a pipe connecting between the transformer main tank and to the conservator tank. So this is the pipe. Between this pipe, this is the Buckles relay as shown in the above figure. From the diagram we can say that there are two mercury switches at the upper segment. This is the mercury switch, and at the lower segment this is the lower segment mercury switch. So mercury switch are placed on the hinged point. These are the hinged points. So at the above there is a floater connected to the above mercury point, and this is connected across this flap. So on the occurrence of small minor category of fault, the oil gets heated up. Due to the oil gets heated up, it converted into a hydrogen gas. So hydrogen gas being lighter in weight get accumulated on the upper part of the Buckles relay. when a certain amount of gas get accumulated on the upper part of the buckle relay, it exerts a pressure on the floating point. Due to that, the alarm circuit get operated and the transformers may get disconnected from the supply manually if the fault is of minor in nature. If the fault is of major category fault, the oil level in the tank get decreases. Due to that decrease in the oil level due to decomposition of oil, the oil starts flowing from the main tank to the conservator tank. So during that flow of oil from the main tank to the conservator tank, the flap of this mercury switch gets operated. Due to that, the trip circuit of the circuit breaker connected to the mercury switch gets charged. So when the trip circuit opens the contact of the circuit breaker, so circuit breaker disconnects the transformer from the supply automatically. So we can conclude that the Buckles relays provides two types of protection against the fault. One is of minor category and the other is of major category. In the minor category fault, the alarm circuit get operated, and in the major category, the circuit breaker will operate and disconnect the transformer from the point. So this is all regarding the constructions of the Buckles relay. So we have discussed its construction, we have discussed its operation. Now we are going to discuss regarding the advantages and disadvantages. There are two major advantages. The Buckles relay being simple in construction is widely used. Second is it can provide protection against all kinds of faults in the transformer. When we discuss regarding the disadvantages, so the major disadvantages are it can be used only against the oil immersed transformers. It cannot be used without oil immersed transformer. And the second disadvantage is it provides protection for the internal coils only. For the outer conductors, we have to employ any other differential relay scheme. So this is all regarding today's lecture. Thank you guys.